I lost over 100 pounds in just a year. I've kept it off for over 8 years. And there are 4 things that I did to start my weight loss journey off right. The first thing I did was started intermittent fasting because I was a late night snacker. So I felt intermittent fasting would get me more on a regulated routine of a window of time when I could eat. The second thing that I did is I started planning my meals for the week, because if you don't plan your meals for the week, then you just grab foods of convenience. So having my meals planned allowed me to stay on track. The third thing I did was I started setting micro goals for myself. So instead of focusing on all the weight that I wanted to lose, I said if I could just drop 3 pounds a week, then that would make a difference and allow me to consistently lose weight. And it seemed much more tangible. And then the fourth thing that I did is I started weighing myself daily and started keeping a log of every day what my weigh-in was every morning, because it allows you to see how far you've actually came during the week, and it's just feedback. So it allows you to see how your body's responding to food that you've ate throughout the week. Do these 4 things and I promise you'll be off to the right start.